A negative emotions list is a comprehensive compilation of various negative emotions individuals may experience in different situations. It is a valuable resource for understanding, identifying, and acknowledging the wide range of negative emotions that can arise within us. Negative emotions are an inherent part of the human experience. Events, circumstances, relationships, or internal thoughts and beliefs can trigger them. Common negative emotions include anger, sadness, fear, guilt, shame, loneliness, jealousy, and more. However, negative emotions can manifest in countless nuanced ways, making it challenging for individuals to recognize and articulate their feelings. A negative emotions list is a reference guide providing a catalog of these emotions and their descriptions. It enables individuals to pinpoint and label their emotions more accurately, a crucial step towards managing and processing them effectively. The list can be organized alphabetically or categorically, making it easier for individuals to navigate and find the specific emotions they are experiencing. Each emotion is typically accompanied by a brief description that captures its essence and typical triggers. A negative emotions list is helpful for individuals seeking self-awareness and personal growth and is also valuable for therapists, counselors, coaches, and educators. It can be used as a tool for guiding discussions, promoting emotional intelligence, facilitating communication, and assisting in developing coping strategies and interventions. To use our free negative emotions list, follow these steps. Download our free negative emotions list from the Carepatron platform, which you can find in the link in the description. Firstly, identify your emotions. Reflect on your current emotional state and identify which negative emotions resonate with your feelings. Pay attention to the descriptions and triggers associated with each emotion to see if they align with your experiences. Next, label your emotions. Once you have identified the emotions that match how you feel, use the list as a reference to label and name those emotions. This labeling process can help you gain clarity and take ownership of your emotional experiences. Next, explore the emotions. Dive deeper into the emotions you have identified. Reflect on the possible causes, triggers, or underlying factors contributing to these feelings. Next, seek additional resources. If you find certain emotions particularly challenging or overwhelming, consider seeking additional resources such as books, articles, or professional help to understand and manage those emotions effectively. Develop coping strategies. Utilize the negative emotions list as a starting point to develop personalized coping strategies. The descriptions accompanying each emotion can provide insights into helpful approaches for dealing with specific negative emotions. Here is a sample of our negative emotions list, which you can find on our Carepatron platform. To find our negative emotions list, go to our Carepatron platform or click on the link in the description. In our template section, we have a variety of templates and worksheets for you to use with your patients. You can filter or type in the keywords to find the worksheet. Thank you for watching our video at Carepatron. If you enjoyed this video, give us a like. If you would like to see more videos like these, subscribe to our Carepatron channel or click on one of our recommended videos.